is this one. Let me see. Yes, bean. And then these are this is my stop here. Good morning. It is 8:27. Fix you that. Tuesday. It is traveling day, I guess. Headed back to Austria so I can pack that apartment up. So yeah, so I'm gonna pack my bags from here and everything else that I bought. Apparently I bought a lot. But yeah, Faye is cooking breakfast now so that we can head out. And then my train is at 48, and then I have another train in Innsbruck to catch. So stay tuned. Good morning. Tuesday, January 23rd. Bags secure, and I'm just gonna sit right next to it. um 16:52 Uhr erreichen werden. Wir kommen nun zum Verkauf und der Kontrolle der Tickets zu Ihnen. Wir freuen uns, Sie an Bord zu haben. Vielen Dank. So third stop, I think, on this journey to one of the bus stations, and I called a cab because my place is about 18-minute drive, and I have luggage, obviously, so I called the cab, and he said 5 to 7 minutes. It's cold, like a brick out here, but almost there. Home stretch, home stretch. So just got back to my flat. I got back, it was 4:47. Got on the train from Germany at 10:48. And it's currently 4:41, 47. Anyways, yes. So got back. I kind of started moving before I left, but my babies are dying. Here's Moxie. She is not happy with mama. You gotta cut her off. Gotta cut and trim. Give them some love, but it's also like, look, this is outside. I'm gonna open the door. Like, I wouldn't be happy in this either. Anyways. But Allie Jr. is doing good. And Allie Sr. has actually grown some.